listen, I wanted to, if I can get us out of this, hierdie hele hofsaak storie.
Jy gaan nie. And it's not about
Okay.
getting us out of it.
Excuse me?
Okay, yours nie. Excuse.
No, I'm just, because I do have a plan that I know will work.
En wat is dit?
Because you remember last time when Barnard was under the impression that we wanted to go to the High Court? Because that's not High Court area.
Not
It's a
us,
different
you.
Ja,
Want jy en Jannie het klaar gegaan in aangeval.
Nee, die Hooggeregshof is in Johannesburg, in Pretoria. Dis
Ja, maar Jannie het klaar aansoek ingestuur. En dit is hoekom Magistraat Barnard Court was. Okay.
Hy sê my gesê het van dit.
Maar julle het, ons het almal daar gesit en dit is hoekom ons alles toe opname toe gevat het. Toe ons nog
Nee, want hy was onder die indruk ons wil gaan.
Ja, want dit is wat Jannie wou doen, want Jannie het klaar aansoek ingestuur.
Nee, by hom, nie by die een in Pretoria nie. Toe is Barnard onder die indruk dat ons wil Pretoria Hooggeregshof toe gaan. Dis
maar julle wou?
Nee.
Ja.
Dis hoekom ons dink kan ek
Jannie het daar gestaan.
Jy sê by ons wil by your worship to say vir hom, hy het verkeerd verstaan, want die Hooggeregshof by ons is 10 keer op 100 verskillende maniere anders as die een daar. Toe sê Jannie vir hom, your worship, jy het verkeerd verstaan. Dis hoekom ons dadelik gehardloop het na die ander hof toe om als op die laaiband te sit. Toe sê Jannie vir hom, dis nie wat ons wou doen nie, hy het verkeerd verstaan, ons wil dit daar by hom hou.
Selfs soos dat julle ook nie kinders hoef toe wou gaan nie, maar toe doen julle dit in aangeval en ons het verkeerd verstaan.
Hoor nou my plan. So, en as toe hy wou net alles op band gekry het, nie? Alles wat daar gesê was en op papier is, vat ons dan Hooggeregshof, want hulle niks te doen mee met dit nie. Ek hou van Magistraat
Barnard, ek wil nêrens anders discussies weet nie. I like him and I don't want to move anything else or change anything else or try to get out of anything. We in this situation because I should have put a stop to this stuff a long time ago.
Maar dis wat ek sê. Okay, maar as jy wil nie eers as ek kan die hele ding stop.
No, because it's not what's best for Christy Ann.
Net 'n plain parenting plan opstel.
No, Sydney. I think we're on the right path. It's the only way that things are gonna go good from here on forward. Nee, Sydney, want jy doen nog aan my net wat jy wil die hele pad nog deur. Since the start you've been doing to me and Christy Ann whatever you want. Now you want to get out of this. You got us into this, we will pull through on this.
Yeah, but then it's fine. I was just asking if you want me to make a plan to get all of us out of it, then I will. But if you want to go through with it, then it's also fine.
Yeah, I think this is what's best for her.
In what way?
Discipline, routine. Between what's right and wrong and everything like that. I can't, you and I. You will be the end of me. You will really, I need help. And Sydney, I don't trust you.
Okay, I just want to ask you a question.
We shouldn't even be having this conversation. I don't know why we are even having this conversation.
But I just want to ask
you don't care if it costs me my life, as long as you get the life that you feel you are well deserving of. You don't care what you do to me. You don't know, Sydney, no. No, you don't. You only care about yourself. That is why we're in this situation.
Because I just care about myself.
Yes. And because, as you said outside just now, you said that none of this was your choice. You were forced into it. Did you not? Did you not say that outside?
Okay.
Did you? No. Please answer me. Did you not? Okay. Okay. Let me lower my tone of voice. Okay. Did you not? No, please give me a chance. I don't know. You tell me something different every day. Ek vra vir jou, het jy nie net nou buite my huis vir my gesê, jy was forceer om al die besluite te maak wat jy dusver het nie.
And I answered that question.
Wie het jou forceer?
I asked you this.
Wie het jou forceer? Who has forced you?
Okay?
Who forced you?
Die welsyn.
Het die welsyn jou forceer?
Wel, as ek niks gaan doen nie, gaan hulle dink, kom staan ek terug en doen niks vir Christiane.
O, okay. So die welsyn het jou forceer. Dis nou hulle skuld. Dis nou die welsyn se skuld. Wie is die welsyn? Wie? Wie? So wie is die welsyn? Wie is die welsyn? Tessa wie? No, give me an answer. It's because you're busy talking nonsense here. Please, stop.
Kan jy relax?
No, I can't do this phone call, please.
Nou 'n antwoord gee.
No, Sydney.
Like I told
You've already tried to... No, you'll be the end of me. Really?
All these things keep happening and I don't do anything. What do you think they are going to think of
Me too. Same, yeah. Same, yeah.
Ja, wel so. Dan was dit mos nie jou skuld of my skuld nie.
No. Do what you think's best. Do what you think's right.
Okay, dit gaan nie, dis kom ek met jou praat hieroor. Fuck it. My hoofrede is net, die land is fucked. Ek wil nie hê Christiane moet die groot
Sydney, jy het my hoeveel keer probeer doodmaak en jy wil aangaan oor die land en wat vir mense sleg is hier of nie. Nee. So daai aand by die musiekon was jou woorde nie. You want to make it look like a mugging nie.
Wat?
Ja.
Ek het eintlik net jou foon by jou gevat, ek laat jy nie kon bel nie. Dis al.
O.
Ek kan nie so vinnig so ekstreem dink.
Ja, bel vir help, nee. Of wat?
Nee, want ek wil met jou chat en jy wou die hele tyd ry. En ek wil by jou hoor wat is fout, want jy uit Barabbas uitkom uit die badkamer uit van Kylie. Toe ewe skielik sê jy vir my, gooi my zaps. Ons was fine and to all of the sudden.
Okay, Sydney. I have to go. Can't listen to this. Sorry, have a nice day. Bye.